Hey everyone, welcome back to Grammatical, your trusted guide for NEET counseling. Today, we're talking about an important and slightly surprising update, the NEET PG 2025 Government Medical College seat approvals by the National Medical Commission, NMC. Here's the reality. Out of all the new seats proposed this year, only a part of them got approved. So, how many seats were approved, which branches got affected, and what it means for your counseling strategy? Let's break it down step by step. This year, government colleges across India requested 3,282 new seats from NMC. But only 2,337 seats got the green signal, meaning about 945 seats were not approved. That's nearly one third of all proposed seats rejected. Let's look at the branch wise data and understand the real impact. Government colleges had requested 2,452 seats in clinical subjects. However, only 1,716 were approved, a shortfall of more than 700 seats. Here's how each major branch performed. General Medicine, 317 requested, 189 approved. Expect very high cutoff. This remains one of the toughest branches to get. General Surgery, 331 requested, 211 approved. Again, fewer seats mean higher competition and a steeper cutoff. Obstetrics and Gynecology, 292 requested, 199 approved. Female aspirants, especially, will face tough competition here. Pediatrics, 277 requested, 200 approved. A stable branch, cutoff will stay moderate but not low. Orthopedics, 233 requested, 167 approved, highly demanded. Expect the cutoff to remain on the higher side. Radiodiagnosis, 111 requested, 96 approved. Extremely limited seats, cutoff will go sky high, especially in top colleges. Anesthesiology, 403 requested, 237 approved. Moderate rejection, here the cutoff can go comparatively deeper, particularly in peripheral or newly approved institutes. Family medicine, palliative medicine, nuclear medicine, and radiation oncology all received full approval, which is a positive sign for future growth. A total of 830 non clinical seats were proposed, but only 621 were approved, giving a roughly 75% approval rate. Here's the breakdown. Pathology, 284 requested, 161 approved. Moderate rejection, stable cutoff. Community Medicine, SPM, 105 requested, 83 approved. Healthy approval, decent prospects. Microbiology, 98 requested, 80 approved. Cutoff may go slightly lower. Pharmacology, 53 requested, 39 approved, remains good for academic aspirants. Anatomy, 63 requested, 56 approved, stable approval, cutoff might go down. Physiology, 50 requested, 45 approved, similar trend, easy to reach cutoff. Biochemistry, 102 requested, 96 approved, almost full approval, so the cutoff will go significantly deeper this year. Additionally, PMR, physical medicine and rehabilitation, and hospital administration received full approvals, indicating increasing academic diversity in government setups. So, overall, out of 3,282 seats requested, only 2,337 seats got approved. Nearly 945 seats were rejected. This shows NMC is being much stricter this year, possibly due to issues like infrastructure gaps, faculty shortages, or hospital bed count. For NEET PG 2025 aspirants, the message is clear. Competition will stay tough, especially for core clinical branches like medicine, surgery, radiology, and orthopedics. So don't go by proposed numbers alone. Always verify the official approved seat count before filling your counseling choices. If you're confused about where you actually stand based on your rank and branch preference, then stop guessing and start planning strategically. At Grammedical, we guide you through the entire counseling journey, from choice filling and seat prediction to state specific guidance and admission strategy. Everything is handled by experts. Expert guidance, 24 by 7 call and chat support. Real time cutoff analysis tools. Latest MCC and state counseling updates. You can book your personal counseling session today. Link is available in the description below or connect with us directly on Telegram at Grammedical. That's all for today's important NEET PG 2025 update. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Grammedical for genuine and timely counseling insights. Join our Telegram group for daily NEET PG updates and personalized rank guidance.